Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. Here I will show you how to download and install Android 10. Go to settings, scroll down up to system, advanced, system update. Here you can see system update available, introducing Android 10. New feature dark theme, navigate your phone with gestures, additional control for privacy location, quick action and replies in notification. Tap on download and install. Update size 5.7 MB. It was cellular. Now you can see installing a system update in your device. Now wait until install system update and you can see new Android 10. Update it in your Google Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 3 and 3 XL device. That's it.